Keep doesn't take me anything at all. Here you go, the Instagram can see. I just dropped this one. Second drop. And then just a little bit of gold. I might get my gel painting golden touch. This is really thick pigment, which is that I like. Just a little bit. And if you feel it's really like thick density, I add just a little bit of my no wipe top coat and dilute it. Can you see it? It's okay, I can keep that one. And there you go. Twin tip brush. I need twin tip brush, and then I am going to using a blossom gel. I don't know where my other bottle is, but I have my always on my side right here, blossom gel. And applies. If you want them to blend and spread it out faster, you're gonna do it thicker. If not, you do it thinner. Just one layer. And before that, I am going to draw and just make it a swirl. All right. Can you wipe this off for me? Of course, my nails heating this. It's okay, everyone. I just heat my nails on it. But it's not cure anything at all. It's still waiting for me to apply my gels on this. I'm just pick up part of this. And laid it here. Can IG seeing it? Pick it up again. So now I'm going to wipe this off, and I am going to use my other side of my twin tip brush. If you want to go more details, I'm going to pick that up. You can go more detail. I'm getting some of my gold. And you can add it on in every single details of the veins right there. If you're happy with this, then we are going to clear this one. So work slow with this, and then it's gonna, the faster or you want your blossom gel to spread it fast for you, then you apply a little bit thicker, or else you just apply just like a really good thin coat, not too thin, not too thick. Great. So now I am going to wipe up the tips. I can eat that one again. Yep, so if I'm happy with this, we are going to cure it.